Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 5.9, how to remove grid lines. Pretty straightforward. What we want to do is go into, here are grid lines. You can see your row and column grid lines. You want to remove that information. Sometimes you want the information, your preference, but to change it, go to ribbon, hit view, and you're going to see the headings here under show. We have grid lines. Click the grid lines, and the grid lines are gone. Click the grid line again. You want to remove your headings. Remove your headings. What are the headings? You could see the headings here, A, B, C, D. You can remove those headings. It just saves space. If it's not important to you, just move. And then formula bar, you can remove the formula bar. 3 options available to you. Now, here's another option you can use. If you going to this range here, name, and it goes to city, age, joined, and it's obnoxious colors, and they're obnoxious for a reason. I just wanted to point this out to you. If you want to mirror this, just the format, and what I mean the format, that is the colors. To move, hit Format Painter under Home, grab this information, identify where you want to move it. Let's go from B3 over to J3, and you're essentially, you just mirrored the formats, not the information, the formats. So now we'll put in today. You can type in today, and then let's go, Frank. You can see the format is mirrored. Now you can do the exact same thing if you want. Highlight the range, right click, copy, move over to P3, paste, and you have, in addition to the format, you also have the formulas and the same information, and you can change the information accordingly. Whatever works for you. Options, options, options. One other thing, I didn't cover the borders section very well. Let's just do a quick review of borders again. If you want to modify a particular range or a particular cell, and you want to put borders only partially around a cell or around a specific range, you have that option. Let's hit a particular cell. Let's go up to the ribbon. Here you have a whole host of options just for the border. I went through them pretty quickly, but here you have a lot of options. If you want to put border completely around your cell, just hit all borders, and now you have border around the cell. Hit Control Z to get rid of it. Go back to borders, and if you want just the left border, you can hit the left border. If you want a bold border, you can do that. You can put a double border in just to the bottom and the top. And if you want to get rid of a border, you can do a couple things. Here's a little trick. You can copy down, that may work. And in some cases, copy down, and it removes the border. Or you can go up and you can finagle it this way and hit no border. That's an option. If you want to change the border, for example, let's insert a full border. You want to change the thickness, the dimensions. Go to Format Cells, go to Borders, and you can see here, you can customize it any way you want. Here are some styles. You could change the color. So if you want bright yellow, let's use purple, because okay, you have now a purple or a whatever this color is. You can grab whatever type of border width you like and just pull it over. Just click it and highlight whatever you want changed. If you only want part of it, if you want to drag a line through it, you have all these options. If you want to preset, you can hit that particular format. A lot of different options. If you want to remove it, just click. Now you know the colors. You have various options here. You have border configuration features here. You'll also have border features up in the ribbon. Now, the tricky thing is, how do I get rid of that particular font or that particular border? You can, again, you can hit Control 1. You can delete it by simply going in and hitting none. If you have a blank cell anywhere here, you can just copy down, Control D will remove the border. That's what I typically do. It's faster. Or you can go up here and hit border and hit no border to clear your cell. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.